Today I'm really excited to be sharing this fun tutorial, guys. We are going to be making some beautiful paper flowers using the Cardstock Warehouse merry-go-round paper pack and the Tonic Studios floral tools that I'll be using here. Hope you enjoy! Each flower is unique. This one in particular, it looks like a Gerbera daisy to me. So I'm going to use the skinnier part of my tool to create a crease in the center and then fold it up into a flower, layer those, and create my pretty little daisy. This flower is more of a peony, so I'm going to use the rounded part of my tool, about the medium size, and create a circular motion over each petal, and it's going to give it a nice curl and close up to create sort of a peony flower. Now to finish off this flower, I'm going to curl up these little yellow parts and add that to the center of my flower. Now, don't do what I did, but you could bring out your Nuvo drops and create some pretty center clusters for your pretty flowers. The last flower in this tutorial is one you can roll up just like so. I tried to grab a tool that was gonna give me the perfect round circular twist in each little petal, so I will just repeat the same thing to these little ones. It's time for your leaves. These are super easy to make. You just need to make one crease in the center of your leaf and fold up. As far as the viney ones, you'll see that I'm going to use a small rounded end to give it a different viney type of texture. So that's it for this video. All my flowers are done, and you can catch part 2 where I will create a 12 by 12 layout. Thanks for watching. Bye now.